the MacBook Air. It's the cheapest laptop you can buy from Apple right now, and with this M1 chip, it can do way more than it's ever been able to. Let me tell y'all more about this thing. So I got two MacBook Airs sitting here with me. One is powered by Apple M1 and one is powered by Intel. But you probably can't even tell the difference. They look exactly the same, and that's because they are on the exterior. Okay, so we got the 2019 quad-core i5 MacBook Air in silver, and we have the 2020 Apple M1 MacBook Air in space gray. Okay, so the biggest difference between these computers is the processor. The one in the M1 powered MacBook is crazy. It's crazy fast, really responsive, and it also provides you great battery life. And this is the main reason why I bought this computer. This computer has speeds like no other. I got a Ryzen 5 computer I built, and it smokes it in its responsiveness. It keeps the responsiveness while giving you hours on the battery. I charge this computer in the morning, and I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. That's crazy to me. And the screen and sound is ridiculous. The peak brightness and the color accuracy of this screen combined with the stereo separation of these two speakers is like no other. I mean, it's perfect to me in my eyes. So even though this is the cheapest laptop Apple sells, I've done a lot with it. I've done 4K video editing, photo editing, music production, and a little bit of 3D rendering. And I experienced no lag whatsoever. Being able to scrub through Final Cut timelines, music timelines, being able to zoom in on photo editing with this enormous trackpad is just so nice. It's so smooth, so crisp. It does exactly what you want it to do. So I can't talk about the trackpad without talking about this keyboard. Now, at first, I didn't expect for it to be this good. It's not that much travel, but as soon as I started typing, I realized how tactile it actually was. So the power button is in the corner, but that also is the fingerprint scanner. And with the fingerprint scanner, you can make Amazon purchases in less than 10 seconds, which is real nice. So every product got its pros and its cons, and unfortunately, this laptop does have its cons. The number one con I have with this computer is it only got 2 USB-C ports. So what that's gonna leave you with is using dongles all the time. I got 2 hard drives plugged in, a hub, and that's it, no more ports. Now you can fix this problem by buying a hub, but this will be something you will have a problem with if you do purchase this laptop. So my second con will be the webcam. As you can see, it's really not that good. It'll get by, but I would expect a little bit better. My last con will be the fingerprints. You won't have fingerprints all over this computer from the screen to the body. It's just not something that you can really do anything about other than keeping a microfiber with you at all times. So the real question is, should you buy this computer? As long as you be realistic with what you're getting. Again, this is the cheapest laptop Apple sells, so you can't expect for it to be doing all this professional work. I love this laptop because of the quality and longevity of it. It's always gonna look good, and I know it's gonna last. But should you buy it? You have to be realistic when looking at this computer. You have to remember that it is the cheapest laptop Apple sells, so if you're trying to do any professional work, I would look to get a MacBook Pro or something. But if you want to do basic work, basic photo editing, video editing, maybe some word processing, a little bit of everything, this computer should do its job, hold its own. So that's it. This is my M1 MacBook Air review. This is my baby right here, and I love it. This was a great purchase, and I don't regret it at all. I was even thinking about installing Windows 10 or even Windows 11 on here just for fun. Let me know if y'all want to see that. Just leave a comment below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and also ring that bell to get notifications of when I post a video, because you never know when it's coming, but it's coming. Y'all make sure to look out for it, all right? I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.